So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can double your views with YouTube automation. And it's going to be the same strategies that I use for all of my videos across all of my channels. And obviously this one as well. And whether that's videos with 1.8 million views, 100,000 views, or even 13,000 views, these strategies work across all niches, all videos, literally everything, because these are fundamental view generating strategies on YouTube. And keep in mind that what I'm about to show you in today's video is not something that I just got from ChatGPT or I simply Googled. This can only be gained through experience and through making hundreds of videos and getting millions of views. So let's get into the video. And before we get into the video though, if you want my help with implementing these strategies that I'm about to show you and many other strategies and basically helping you build your channel and help you take it to numbers like this, whether you're already running a channel or you tried running one and you never saw success, or you're a beginner or you're just looking to scale, whatever the case is, I can help you achieve numbers like this. So if you're interested, you can book a call and my team and I will get in touch with you and see if you're the right fit and we could potentially work together. But with that being said, let's get into the strategies. And so basically the way this video is going to go, I'm going to go from the easier and more obvious strategies to more advanced and not so obvious ones. So the first one is going to be optimizing your videos for search. So, I mean, you heard this before. I'm pretty sure you are aware that this exists, but not many people understand just how powerful it is. So I want to show you what optimizing your videos for search does in the case of these just two videos. But there's, of course, a lot of videos on my channel that are really ranking in search and they're doing it very well. But these two videos specifically are absolutely crushing it. So this is my 7-hour course. And actually, yeah, you might think, oh, dude, okay, you got a 7-hour course and here's a 10-hour course. Like, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and create these videos. First of all, these are what I call re-upload effects. Basically, a re-upload effect is where you have a bunch of videos on your channel that you've just been posting, and then you can kind of gather them together. It's basically a compilation. So it's like a strategical compilation that was just repackaged with a great title and original intro. So literally the only original content in this video is like this 2-minute long intro where I paid like a motion or a 3D editor to create this original piece of content that is 2 minutes long. And then it just literally re-uploads. So as you can see, it's a video of me like just with this particular background, and then that's AI guy. So these are just different videos. Now, what I'm getting to here is you first of all have to have a good piece of content. So if your video is crappy and you're just uploading a bad video, hoping it's going to rank in search, it just will not rank. So it has to be a good video fundamentally. In fact, every video has to be good fundamentally, always. So just keep that in mind. It's kind of a given. But as long as your video is somewhat good, right, it's decent at least, you can then strategically optimize it for search. And actually, one of the tools I use when it comes to optimizing your videos for search is called vidIQ. You can actually also check it out down below, try it out for $1. I'm going to link it for you. Basically, when it comes to vidIQ, what it does and the way it helps you is, as you can see on the right side here, you've got these video tags. So each video, so if I go to details, each video is going to have these video tags that you should absolutely optimize for. And yeah, I mean, it's a good thing to optimize for those. And so the way this works in vidIQ, here on the left side, you can go to research, for instance. I'm going to close it down. And then for my case, I'm going to type in YouTube automation, obviously, because that's what I'm making the content about. You would type in your own keywords. And then you go here to keywords and you see all the relevant keywords that you could put in your video's description. And then once you do that successfully, your video will start ranking. And I mean, just to show you, just to give you maybe another perspective on how powerful this stuff is, if I go to my channel's analytics and I go to advanced mode and I want to go to lifetime, all right, and then I want to go to traffic source. So as you can see in the lifetime, once it loads, let me just move myself out the way. So my channel right here, actually, let me really get myself out the way. So my channel has garnered from YouTube search 18% of all the channel's views. So 1.7 million views out of 9.6 came from search. And then I would argue that it's not just 1.7, it's even more, because think about that. Some people found me from search. And so out of those 1.7 million views, some people ended up subscribing, they ended up becoming a fan. So maybe then they subscribe to my Telegram channel or Instagram, or just simply subscribe to my channel. And in the future, they started coming from browse features and channel pages because, like I said, they became fans and they started to know about my channel. So it kind of creates this snowball effect. So search views are absolutely huge. And as you can see here as well, if I go to this particular video analytics, you can see that this video was posted 420 days ago. Funny enough, right? 420 days ago, if you know, you know. And it's still getting 400 views every 48 hours. And this graph just goes up nonstop. Now you might be saying, dude, it's just $500. I mean, yes, it's an educational niche, so it's only 100K with a revenue or RPM of $5, which is not bad. But you have to keep in mind that I'm also linking my affiliate links as well. And it's actually something that I really teach and focus on in my program, is also helping people building educational channels like this, not just YouTube automation industry, but in any industry you want to go for. And basically the way this video really makes money is that it generates search views with traffic within the niche where people are really looking to learn. And so they're going to convert to tools and buy these tools. So for example, it doesn't look that impressive, but look, just this one link right here, 11 Labs, has generated me over $20,000 in commissions, as you can see right here. So from this just single tool, I've made $21,000 in my own commissions. And from one of the tools, I'm not going to point at the particular one, but like from one of these, out of these 3 tools, I've made, where is it? It's going to be right here. So I've made $64,000 in my commissions. And then another one of those has generated me 18K in the last 12 months. So that is called affiliate marketing. And I know I'm kind of going off topic, but not really. All of that is related to getting more views, because the more views you get, you can then monetize your videos in the right way. But in order to monetize your videos in the right way, you have to know how to get a bunch of views. So that's where I'm going to here. So again, search views is huge. Another thing, so anyway, I kind of got off topic. Besides video tags, which is going to be right here, there are 2 or even 3 other things that you need to do. So actually inside of my program, I'm just going to leak it. I don't care. But inside of my program, that's just one of the many things that I give to my students. And this particular thing is called the uploading SOP. So it's like a checklist that I give to my students that they should follow when they are uploading their videos. And this checklist is aiming at you, obviously generating a lot of views. So that's the whole point of the thing. So, and I'm going to go through each point, and you're going to see how it's going to make sense. So first of all, make sure the actual video's title is optimized for SEO. And so right here, obviously, it's literally, it says YouTube automation with AI. That title is the keyword, right? So if I go to vidIQ, you can see YouTube automation on its own is a keyword, and then YouTube automation with AI is getting 100,000 searches per month, and then YouTube automation is getting 2.8 million searches per month, which is huge. Now the next one is going to be think through video tags. I've already talked about this. Then this one is pretty cool. Write an SEO optimized paragraph and timestamps. So basically the way this works is you give AI this prompt, and then you give AI the so-called SRT file, which is really just extracted transcript of your video. And then you give it this file. And basically what it does is it creates an SEO optimized paragraph and then FAQ as well with 3 to 5 questions. That is basically you optimizing your video for AI search as well, because nowadays a lot of people use ChatGPT and Claude to do research. And so that is going to be optimizing your videos for AI as well. And then there's a bunch of other checkpoints here, but I'm going to go into those later in the video. By the way, I'm not going to give this to you directly, but you can screenshot this and then give it to AI, so that it's going to give you, the prompt extracted if you want to. So that's really method number 1. So again, doing everything that is in your power to optimize your video for search. So now let's move on to the next method. So next method is going to be called the pillar video method. Now I want you to think about this method in the following way. So I'm actually gonna go here into the mirror, and like, imagine you have your main video. So imagine you have your main video and then you have your small videos, and basically it's like a funnel. The way this goes is you create the main video, right? And then you have these small videos that are all driving traffic to your main video. And as a result, your main video is going to be getting more and more views. It's going to be going more and more viral. As a result, YouTube is going to give you more and more impressions and you're going to make more and more money. Make sense? And so the way I'm implementing this in one of my recent videos, it's actually this video right here. So this video is really kind of meant to sell, right? So it's kind of like selling my offer. To be transparent, it's literally selling this offer. So it's the method that I personally use to sell my info. And then I also teach that to my students just to be super transparent. And basically the way this works is like this video is being the main pillar video, right? And then every time I make new small video, like the video you're watching right now is also gonna use this same strategy. But basically anytime I make a small video, it links back to the main video. So what do I really mean by that? So let's go to my channel, for instance, and you're gonna see how this is done. So basically, this main video exists right here, okay? You can see it on the right. And then each video that I make that is related to YouTube automation, let's say right here, it links back to the original video in two ways. So first of all, if I go to the description of the video, you're gonna see the actual video being linked as a video, right? And so if I click, it leads me back to the main video. You see how it goes? So the first way to basically get more views is to strategically create your main video that either sells your service or is just an epic video that is meant to get a lot of views. For a long, long time, my main video used to be this 10-hour course, but now I'm just selling something else. So it's no longer being the main video in that sense, but it's still actually getting a lot of search traffic, as you can see. But yeah, I mean, you identify your main video and then you drive all the small videos traffic to that main video via either a link in a description, or another thing you can do that I personally do. Oops, let me go back. Is not only you should be linking your video in the description, you can also link your video via a card. So as you can see, it's being linked here in the description as a card. And the way you create cards, by the way, you can go here to details, and then you can go here to where it says cards and literally add your video as a card. And you also add it as an end screen, okay? And so what end screen does is when someone finishes watching your video, you're about to see me doing a gesture like this, pointing it to the video that I recommend you to watch. And this video is gonna appear. So if you pay attention to my gestures, once it loads, let's see if I'm gonna start pointing. I think I'm about to start pointing. Yeah, you can see me pointing somewhere, be like, yeah, watch this next video. And that's exactly the strategy that I use. And so that is how people are gonna end up watching your small videos, and then they're all gonna roll into your main video where you're selling something or you're just making money throwing commissions. Whatever the case is, obviously this works across all niches. And once you really know this, what I'm showing you right here, you're gonna start noticing this a lot on YouTube, and all your favorite gurus are doing this as well. So be aware of this. And now let's move on to the third method. And actually, third method is this exact method as well, but just through a different scenario. So basically, I've only done this myself a few times, and I'm yet to start like sort of abusing this method a lot, but it's doing the same exact thing as I've already explained here with long videos, but except by using short form videos. So lately I've posted a bunch of videos. Wow, time is flying. So it's already been a month since I've done this, but yeah. As you can see, you can either post just completely random videos of yourself. So those are actually my Instagram reels that are repurposed into YouTube Shorts and just posted here. Or you can actually post like physical snippets of your videos like I did here. So literally just export a piece of your video and then, have it pointing to the main video. Now you might be saying it doesn't make sense. How does that even work? So if you go to your YouTube studio and you go to your short videos, the shorts, they have this feature that is called related videos. So if I go here and then I scroll down, you're gonna see on the right side here at the bottom, or really on the right side, you can see right here, related videos. And basically what it does is, if I go back to the short, on your mobile device, it's gonna be literally here at the bottom of the screen. But on the computer, you're gonna see it here on the left side. And if I go ahead and click it, it's gonna take me to the main video, whatever video I chose. And so that is how it works. So maybe I should just copy this one and be like, also just shorts. And that should also be linking to your main video. And that is how you get even more views on your channel, allowing your channel to become this big ecosystem. And instead of you just posting one video at a time, hoping to get a bunch of views, if you follow this method, the three methods actually that I mentioned in today's video, you're gonna turn your channel, like I said, into a big old ecosystem, and you're gonna get all the views and leads and impressions on YouTube that you want. As a result, you're going to make all the money that you want. Now, if you got any value from this video, make sure to apply to work with me and my team down below, and we will absolutely scale your channel to the moon. And if you actually want to know about the business model a little more and how to actually make money on YouTube the right way, you can click right here. You're going to be taken to the full course video where I explain the whole thing, and I'll see you there.